International Debut and Records, ODI. Debut, 1996 versus Kenya. Record-breaking innings. In only his second ODI, against Sri Lanka, Afridi scored the fastest ODI century at the time, 100 in just 37 balls. Test debut, 1998 versus Australia. T20I debut, 2006 versus England. Notable achievements, 2007 T20 World Cup, named Player of the Tournament. 2009 T20 World Cup Final. Match-winning performance, 54 not out and 1 wicket for 20 runs, leading Pakistan to victory. Captaincy. Took over as T20I captain after Younis Khan's retirement in 2009. Later also captained in ODIs and Tests. Retired from Tests after 1 match as captain. 2011 Cricket World Cup. Led Pakistan to the semi-finals. Retirement. Retired from ODIs in 2015 and from international cricket in 2017. Made a final international appearance in a 2018 charity T20 match. Batting style. Known for aggressive batting, earned the nickname Boom Boom from Ravi Shastri. Scored 6 ODI centuries, including 2 of the fastest in history. Maintained a career ODI strike rate of 117, among the highest ever. Holds the record for most sixes in OD1 history. Despite explosive play, was inconsistent, averaging 23.57 across over 8,000 ODI runs. Bowling style. Started as a fast bowler, later switched to leg spin, inspired by Abdul Qadir. Took 541 international wickets, primarily in ODIs. Bowled a variety of deliveries, including a sharp, quicker one at speeds up to 134 kilometers per hour. Inspired players like Steve Smith and Shahid Khan. Off-the-field contributions. Founded the Shahid Afridi Foundation, focusing on education and healthcare. Collaborated with UNICEF on anti-polio campaigns. Actively supported COVID-19 relief efforts in 2020, contracting the virus himself during the effort. Named among the top 20 most charitable athletes in 2015. Post-retirement. Briefly served as interim chief selector for Pakistan's series against New Zealand. Let me know if you'd like this adapted into a biography, timeline, or visual presentation.